Hello, my name is Steve Wilson. I am a naturopath in Grand Junction, Colorado. After years of observation on how we create energy in our country, we have taken the natural and produced the unnatural. We have using fads instead of nutrients, bypassing the principles in how we are to function. In doing so, we have created a number of problems from a physiological and emotional viewpoint. If we look at this in a hard way, the idea would be to create the ability of energy using proteins, and I found an incredible source in hemp hearts. I've used them personally for about 10 years now, and they are an interesting element in that they are loaded with essential fatty acids in the proper balance. They're loaded with nutrients outside of that, plus all of the proteins that we really need. And this wonderful ability called satiety, in other words, to suppress your hunger. If we combine that with whey products, if we got the right whey, which is a very, very dense whey, it's cold processed. Within that, there's the perimeter of making branch amino acids. There's the ability to build glutathione, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants the body needs. It also has the ability to clean the cell out. So from all of that toxin that is produced in the production of energy, there are toxins that need to be eliminated from the cell and into the fluids surrounding the cell. If that's the case, then we need to have elements in our body that will move and clean the liver, clean the blood system, clean the lymph system, and just the general fluids around the cell. And we found a wonderful product called red beets. And within red beets, we finally come up with incredible antioxidants, a whole range of vitamins and minerals that the body needs in organic form, plus the ability to build nitric oxide, which is that crazy element that causes the arteries and the veins and the capillaries to expand and open up so we can deliver more oxygen that's produced, and that is the principal drive for building energy. So we now have the ability to clean the blood, clean this system, if you will, and produce the avenues in which to bring oxygen, which is at the source of energy. Now then, with that, we came upon this little thing called sweet potatoes. And sweet potato has some very interesting amenities. First of all, it's one of those rare carbohydrates that drives the glycemic index down. Secondly, there are elements in there that control hormonal issues. One of those is adiponectin. We know in science where there is a rise in adiponectin, there is the ability to control your hunger. And the other side of the hormone is ghrelin. When ghrelin is high, you cannot quit eating. So the elements in sweet potato drive the ghrelin down and raise the adiponectin. So from a hormonal viewpoint, which I believe is a principal cause of obesity, then we have suddenly come by a combination of nutrients that gives you energy, cleans the blood, cleans the lymph system, makes your performance go through the ceiling, recovery rate is up, balance is increased within the body, and you have a product that you can genuinely use, and we found very interesting as a meal replacement. We did not have that intention, but that's exactly the outcome. If you can suppress the burning desire to eat, create all of the elements that you need, there is no reason to eat any more than that. And we can in fact bypass the demand for refined sugars, refined carbohydrates, and you have at last reached something that will produce a healthy tissue.